Hello everyone, welcome to part 162 of Laravel 9 as well as the 10 tutorial. Now we have upgraded to Laravel 10 in the last video, so it's now good for Laravel 10 as well. If for the new users, you can able to install Laravel 10 and follow this series as well. Okay, so we will continue working on the multi-vendor e-commerce website, and from this video we will start working on the shipping module, shipping charges module. So there are two ways to do it. One is the simple and one is the advanced. And first of all, we are going to start with the simple way. Okay, I'm going to tell you in this video that what is the difference and how we can do this simple as well as advanced. Okay, so like I have told you, one is the simple way. So in simple way, it's the simple country wise shipping. We are going to add the country wise shipping here in the simple method. Okay, in the simple module, country wise shipping, we are going to add country wise shipping charges. Okay, we are going to add country wise shipping charges in simple. But in advanced, what we are going to do in advanced, we are going to add weight wise shipping charges, country wise as well as the weight wise, both will come in this one. Country wise, first is the country wise, means this one will come, as well as the weight wise, product weight wise. Okay, weight wise will also come into play, weight wise. Okay, country wise as well as the weight wise. I'm going to show you, like if the warehouse means the manufacturing unit, warehouse. Okay, if the warehouse is in India, suppose it's in India, okay, means the product is manufactured in India, then if we can make it free shipping in India, free in India. Okay, but for rest of the countries we can charge, like for UK, if we are shipped to UK, in case we are going to ship to UK, then in this case, means United Kingdom, if we are going to ship to the United Kingdom, then in this case, see it, we are going to take the additional charges from the user, like 200 INR. Okay, or we can say $3. Okay, $4. Okay, we are going to take the additional charges, like ship to USA, we are going to take like 300 INR. Okay, so this amount is the shipping charges that we are going to add on the grand total. Okay, whatever the grand total, we are going to plus this amount. Okay, this amount we are going to add. So this is the shipping charge module. But first of all, we are going to integrate the simple shipping charges module. In this simple shipping charges module, just we are going to add the shipping charges for that country. We will not add the weight wise. Now what happened in the weight wise, I'm going to tell you this one as well. Like in the weight wise, we are going to check the weight of the product, like if there are two products. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Okay, if there are two products, like there is the one product. Okay, and its weight is 200 gram. Okay, and there is the second product, and for second product weight is the 300 gram. Okay, so total weight is 500 gram. So for 500 gram, they are going to check, like for 500 gram, they are going to take like 200 INR. Okay, so we will group like this one, like to 100, like to 0 gram to 500 gram, and for this particular country, for India, okay, we are going to charge like 200 INR. Okay, and for India itself, if it is 500 gram to 1000 gram, okay, then we are going to charge 300 INR, like this. Okay, so this is the concept of the advance. Okay, so this one we are going to cover in the advance. Okay, but in simple straight way, like for India, it's 100, for UK it's 500, for USA it's 700. It's the simplest one. Okay, we will simply add shipping charges based on the countries. Okay, so I will also show you that where we are going to add the shipping charges. I'm going to log in into the website, and I want to show you that our website is now in Laravel 10, and we have upgraded in the last video. I'm going to show you, like Ecom 9, you can check the version. Now it is the ecom 10 also, new terminal folder. We can check the version here, php artisan version, and here you can see the version is now 10.0.3. I hope you can able to see the version. Okay, it's the 10.0.3. okay, so we able to upgrade our Laravel 9 project to Laravel 10. Okay, so I'm going to log in and see it's already logged in, I think. No, I'm going to log in, and I'm going to log in with the user. I'm going to check in localhost php my admin. Going to log in with one of the user. I'm going to open the database as well. Okay, so I'm going to log in from users table. I am going to find I'm going to log in with this ID. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so there is some issue we are facing here. Let's see. We upgraded our website to Laravel 10 in the last video. So maybe the issue comes due to that. We're going to see call to member function to array on null. So it is saying that this one is not coming, and we are calculating it. I'm going to check this one. I'm going to open this function. So maybe such errors come, but we can resolve. Okay, no issue. I'm going to open the products controller at front, and we'll check the cart function here where it is. It's there in. I'm going to check the get discount attribute price. Okay, it's in product model. Okay, product model. Okay, I'm going to check here. I'm going to search this one. Okay, so it is saying get attribute price is coming as null. That's why this issue is coming. In this case we need to see. Okay, we can do one thing here. We can first empty the card. Okay, so maybe after adding once again, see. Okay, so these are the products that we have added from the Rect app. Okay, if you remember, so that's why the issue is coming, because there is no session ID exists and user ID exists that does not exist, I think. So there may be the issue, because here you can see the source also, it's all coming from the app. Okay, so maybe the issue is because of this thing. I'm going to empty it. Okay, so I'm going to check now. See, now it is working fine. Okay, so I'm going to add the new product, then we're going to test it. Okay, so maybe the issue was due to it, because we have upgraded that table manually. Okay, by inserting. Okay, now see, now it is working fine. Okay, so that was just the temporary issue, comes from the Rect app, because we manually update the table, manually inserted the data. Okay, so even you can follow the see, if you want to make the app of this e-commerce website, then you can follow that Rect series as well. Okay, so we can proceed to checkout. So here in this page we are going to add the shipping charges here. Okay, so first of all, as we're going to work on the simple way of adding the shipping charges, in this we will just check the delivery country. Like if the delivery country is India, then we are going to show the price that is related with the India. That is means for India there is a one fixed price that we are going to add here. And if I am going to select the another delivery address like Iceland, then we are going to add the another shipping charges that is based for the Iceland. Okay, like this we are going to add the shipping charges for all the countries, and it is based on the delivery address. Whatever the delivery country is, shipping charges will added based on that delivery country. Okay, so in this simple way we are going to do that. I hope that it is clear to you, and we are going to start working on it straight away. Okay, so first of all we are going to create the table. Okay, we are going to create the table with the help of migration. So we are going to add few columns. Okay, so I'm going to show you that what column we are going to add. later on we are going to update the table as well. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the uh, table that we are going to add. We are going to add here the shipping underscore charges table. Okay, so I can do it like this. So I'm not going to add here the shipping underscore charges table, shipping underscore charges table, underscore charges. Okay, so in this table I'm going to add the columns like id. Okay, country I'm going to add, and other than country I am going to add shipping charges. Okay, shipping charges of that country. Okay, so it will be like charges, like rate, anything you can add, or price. Okay, charges. Okay, so we can add here the like shipping charges, shipping charge. Okay, shipping charge, or simply the charge. Okay, and after that status, then credited at and updated at, that we used to add. Okay, that automatically get added. Okay, so we are going to add this column for the simple shipping charges module. Okay, so let's add, and I'm going to run the command here. Okay, so php artisan make migration, and we are going to create the table create, and we are going to name it like shipping charges. Okay, shipping underscore charges table. Okay, so we are going to check here shipping underscore charges table, shipping underscore charges, it gets. Okay, so now we are going to add the columns. Okay, so one is the country column, string country, and we're going to add the shipping charge here. Here we can add the rate, price. I think rate is the better word for the shipping charges, like rate for what is the rate for that country. Okay, so we will add the rate float, and here we can add the rate. Okay, and country and its rate. Okay, so after that we are going to add the status, tiny integer status. Okay, and now we are going to run the php artisan migrate command to create this table. So table get created, we are going to check here, see the table get created or not. Shipping charge is here. Okay, fine, it's get created, id, country, rate, status, created, updated. Okay, so now we are going to add the records in this. Okay, so we are going to add the country list in it, but first of all I'm going to manually add one record in this, like for India rate is 200, though I'm going to replace it. I just manually adding one record because I want to just have the excel file for this one. Okay, I'm going to export it. Here I'm going to see the options custom, and here CSV, and we're going to select it like this. Okay, let's export it. So I'm going to open this file, and also I'm going to export these countries list. Okay, so we require to add this country list. We are going to add for all the countries, so we require this country list as well. Okay, so now we are going to check. So actually thing is that we are going to update our shipping and charges table with all the countries so that we can show them in our admin panel, from where we can add the shipping charges for all the countries. Okay, so here we can see the shipping charges have come up, and here we will also open the countries here. Okay, this is the list for the countries. I am going to select the complete list here and going to paste it here like this. Okay, so this one I will simply make it like this. Okay, rate, we can add the fixed rate right now, uh, like 200 for all the countries. I'm going to make it same. Sorry, I will try again once again. And now here copy cells. Okay, so status, I'm going to add status as 1, and created at updated at same date I'm going to add for all, copy cells and as well as copy cells. But here we need to change its format. Okay, uh, format, its format must be this one. Okay, because it can be understood by database knows only this format. Okay, fine. Now we can make the shipping charges for India as 0, but for rest of the countries we will make it the fixed shipping charges. Okay, and now our CSV file is ready. Okay, so now we can we're going to import this one, and for our shipping so charges table we are going to see this is the table. Okay, so I'm going to make it empty the table, and I'm going to import this newly created file. Okay, I'm going to import this one. So this one I'm going to import, and make sure that we are going to skip the first row, and we will import this one. See, it has been done, and we are going to check all records are here now. Okay, so now these shipping charges we're going to show in the admin panel. I'm going to log in into the admin panel now, where we are going to show the shipping module. Okay, see, this we are going to show for the admin only, because admin is only concerned for this one, not the vendors. Okay, vendors will not able to see the shipping charges, because the admin is going to add the rates for the shipping charges for all the countries. Okay, so here after page management we are going to add the shipping management. Okay, we are going to update the sidebar. In sidebar I'm going to add here, after pages management we are going to add the shipping charge management as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and will paste here, and here I'm going to make it shipping management. Okay, shipping management, or whatever shipping charge management you can simply add whatever you want, and here we will add shipping charges, or simply shipping is enough. Okay, shipping, and uh, here we are going to add shipping charges. Okay, shipping charges, we are going to make the page like shipping hyphen charges, and also this one we are going to replace with the shipping. Okay, now we are going to check here. So it has come, you can see the shipping charges come up here. Okay, so now in the next step we are going to create the model. Okay, for this table that we have just created, php artisan make model, model name will be shipping charge. Okay, and we are also going to create the controller, php artisan make controller, and we are going to add this controller inside admin folder, as we are working in the for the admin right now, shipping controller. Okay, so now we are going to add the route in web.php for displaying the shipping charges in the admin panel. So we are going to add here shipping charges, and that we are going to show a route, get route, we are going to add shipping charges, shipping. Okay, so we are going to use the controller here, shipping controller, at the rate of shipping charges. Okay, so this, we are going to open this one, shipping controller. Okay, so this is the function that we are going to create, public function shipping charges. Okay, so in this function we are going to first add the session to display, to highlight the shipping charges, and we can simply add the page here with shipping. Okay, to display the, to highlight the shipping charge module at the left sidebar. Okay, so after this we are going to fetch the shipping charges from the shipping charges table. Okay, shipping charges, we're going to take it shipping, we can take it like this, shipping charges. Okay, shipping charges from the shipping charge model, shipping charge model we are going to add and get, and we are going to convert it to array as well. It's always good to add into array, as anytime we can use the array function, and here we can add the model as well. Use app models and that shipping charge. Okay, shipping charge, shipping charge model. Okay, we are going to add this. So first of all we are going to check it once whether all the countries are coming here. We are going to check once. I'm going to refresh once, and we'll click here, shipping charge, and okay, session we need to add here as well. Use session. Now I'm going to try once again, and this time you can see the complete list of all the countries are coming here. Okay, you can see we have the countries: Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. Okay, so we have added. Okay, here all the countries are coming. So it's pretty fine. We are going to comment this one, and here return view. We will add the shipping charges, shipping charges folder. Okay, or shipping folder we will create shipping folder. Under shipping folder we are going to create shipping underscore charges file. Okay, charges.blade.php file, and we are going to return this array, shipping charges array, to that file. Okay, like this. Fine. So now we are going to create that Ecom 9 resources, views, and admin. Under admin we are going to create folder shipping. In Mac we need to create the file like this, services determinate folder. Here we are going to create the file, new file, shipping charges .play.php. If you are in Windows, you know that you can go inside the folder and can create the new file. Okay, so where is the file? So see, wrong command, touch. I forgot to add the touch here. I'm going to add here in the front. Okay, that's right, touch. Sorry, spelling mistake. touch. In Mac we need to create the file like this, touch. Now the file comes into play. Okay, so we can simply drag this file and we can update this file. We can have its design ready from any of the another file. We can get the admin design. Okay, I can copy from here to here, and can replace it to the shipping charges, where we are going to display all the shipping charges. Here it's not required, we can remove the unwanted code as well. And and here we are going to go to show ID. After that, country. After country, we're going to show the shipping charges. And okay, so country, then shipping charges, or we can add the rate also. Okay, so it is understood that what is the rate here. Okay, how much rate that country is having to for the shipping charges. Okay, for the shipping rates we can say. Okay, so country rate status, and here we are going to add the shipping charges. Yeah, okay, and here we can add shipping. So here we will use the shipping ID, and after that we are going to use here the country. Okay, yeah, here it will come like this, and one more, and that is the rate for that country, shipping charge rate. Okay, and here everywhere we are going to use here but first of all we are going to update this one. Okay, here we are going to add update shipping status. Okay, update shipping status, and now we are going to update this brand as well everywhere. Okay, so we are going to replace it with the shipping, and here it's not required, we can remove this one. Okay, admin add edit shipping as well as. Okay, confirm date is also not required here because there is no way that you can make it 0 but you can't delete. Okay, so edit is only possibility, and here we can check once that yeah, instead of this one we will add here the shipping, and we will add the in the custom.js script we are going to add this one as the data table shipping. Okay, so now we are going to check here. I'm going to refresh this one and going to see all the countries are coming here. Okay, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to see 100 of countries in one page, and you can see all the countries are coming here. India is having, I'm going to check the price for India. Here I can search the India is having the 0 rate. Okay, another country come because it is also having the India in his name, so that's why. Okay, so how the search is good enough, like I always says that use data table because data table is beneficial when we have so many records, and this time you can able to see it, that we can able to search as well. If there are hundreds of records, okay, we can able to show as many records here, and also see we can make it like this, like alphabetical order, you can see. Okay, and starting from the last from Z. Okay, and here also you can sort it like ID 246 or starting from 1. Okay, also you can start like this, like rates, when you will add when the amount varies, then you can really take the benefit of this sorting. Okay, so now you can see that we able to add the country, we able to show the countries as well, and we can straight away can able to update their status as well. It's simple, and see I am having here the update shipping status. So based on this one we are going to add I'm going to add any, I'm going to copy. Okay, so I'm going to copy this particular, like this one. I'm going to copy this and will paste it here, and then make changes. Here I will write update shipping status, and here I'm going to take this one, update shipping status, here as well, update shipping status. Okay, so here user shipping, fine. So now also we will add here the route for this one in the same way like we used to add the route for all others for updating the status. Okay, so we can just simply add update update shipping status, and here also update shipping status. Okay, so we are going to add its function in shipping controller. Okay, so similar like we have in another we can copy this function. It is very identical, just we need to replace here a few things: update shipping status, as well as here we are going to replace the brand with the shipping id, and here also we are going to use this model shipping charge. Okay, so it's done. We're going to check here, refresh once, and see, I'm going to make it deactive. Okay, like if I don't want to use these rates for these countries. Okay, or maybe I don't want to have the shipping charges for these countries, then we can simply disable. See, even if you can refresh, you can see that it's working fine. Okay, so uh, you can able to add, you can able to update, as well as you can disable. And the same, it will come here, you can see the 100 here, 100 you can see. Okay, because I just disable the status. Okay, if I will enable, then you can see it's instantly update. Okay, via Ajax. Okay, so now in the next video we are going to update the shipping charges as well. Here we are going to make the edit form to update the shipping charges, and after that we are going to apply these shipping charges here at the front end according to the country via Ajax. Okay, so that thing we are going to do as well. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.